Website to get remote jobs part 2. So the first site I'm going to talk about in this video is remote.co. So this site is going to help you get remote jobs at your homes. So you just need to scroll down here so you can see the remote jobs here, simple and easy. So you can get jobs from some countries. Some of the remote jobs, they accept some nationalities. So I mean, when you hop on the site, you open the job description and then you check the requirements. So if you think you're a best fit, you apply for that. So the second site is jobpresto.co. So look at the link here. So on here, you are going to get a lot of, remote jobs. So you just open the job and then you check the description. Some of them, they don't want some nationality. So you need to be checking. You meet the eligibility and you are eligible to, apply for the job. You can do that. So the third site is going to be this arc.dev. So on here too, if you are a tech guy or a tech woman and then you think you have some skill that people will need, you can hop on here too and then render services. So you can find jobs here if you want a job, if you want to hire talent here. So you can tap on this here and then you post a job and you're going to get people get to do it for you. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.